The centre have cleared a bill on electoral reforms, including the one to link electoral roll with Aadhaar on a voluntary basis to root out multiple enrolments. According to the bill, the electoral law will also be made gender neutral for service voters. An army man's wife is entitled to be enrolled as a service voter, but a woman army officer's husband is not, according to provisions in the electoral law. But this may change once the bill gets Parliament's nod. The poll panel had asked the Law Ministry to replace the term wife with spouse in the provision in the Representation of the People Act related to service voters. Another provision of the proposed bill will allow the youth to enroll as voters on 4 different dates every year. As of now, those turning 18 on or before January 1st of every year are only allowed to register as voters. The Election Commission of India had been pushing for multiple cut-off dates to allow more eligible people to register as voters. Currently, for an election to be held in a particular year, only an individual who has attained the age of 18 years as of January 1st of that year or before is eligible to be enrolled in the voters list. The Election Commission had told the government that the January 1st cut-off date set for the purpose deprived several youngsters from participating in the electoral exercise held in a particular year. Due to only one qualifying or cut-off date, a person attaining the age of 18 on January 2nd cannot be registered. Therefore, a person who turns 18 after January 1st will have to wait for the next year to get registered. The Law Ministry had recently told a parliamentary panel that it is proposed to amend Section 14B of the Representation of the People Act to insert 4 qualifying dates or cut-off dates: January 1st, April 1st, July 1st and October 1st of every year. In March, then Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad had told Lok Sabha in the written reply that the poll panel has proposed to link electoral roll with the Aadhaar ecosystem with a view to curb the menace of multiple enrollment of the same person at different places. He said this would require amendments to the electoral laws. The minister had said the poll panel has informed that it has taken multiple measures for the security and the safety of the electoral roll data platform. Electoral roll data system does not enter into the Aadhaar ecosystem, and the system is used only for authentication purpose, keeping a tight air gap between the two systems. These measures effectively prevent theft, interception and hijacking of the voter system, Prasad had said. The poll panel has been pressing the government to amend provisions of the Representation of the People Act allowing EC to seek Aadhaar number of those applying to be voters and those who are already part of the electoral rolls. According to the EC proposal sent in August 2019, the electoral law should be amended to empower electoral registration officers to seek Aadhaar number of existing voters as well as those applying to enroll themselves in the voters list. In August 2015, a Supreme Court order on Aadhaar had put the brakes on the EC's project to link UIDAI number with voters' electoral data to check multiple entries in electoral rolls. The poll panel was then collecting Aadhaar number as part of its national electoral roll purification and authentication program. Seeking to check multiple entries in electoral rolls and to make them error-free, the EC had embarked on an ambitious project to link Aadhaar number with electoral data. Since the Supreme Court order makes it clear that sanction of law is required to collect Aadhaar number, the Commission has proposed changes in electoral law, a poll panel functionary had explained. Yet another proposal cleared on Wednesday will allow Election Commission the power to take over any premise for the conduct of elections. There were some objections to take over schools, etc. during the period of elections. The bill on these reforms cleared are likely to be introduced in the ongoing winter session. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.